We'll guide you through how to set up Trello API in n8n. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to trello.com/power-ups/admin by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, click New to create a new Power-Up application that will be used to generate your API credentials. In the app name, workspace, email, support contact, and author name fields, fill in the information according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so the application is properly configured. Once all fields are filled, click Create to complete the setup of your Power-Up. After the Power-Up is created, click Generate a new API key to create your API key. Then click Generate API key again to confirm the action and finalize the process. Now your API key that will be used for n8n has been successfully created. Next, go to n8n and click the plus icon at the top of the sidebar to add a new credential. From the available options, select Credential, then select Personal to continue. In the search bar, type Trello API and click on the search result that appears. After that, click Continue to proceed to the credential setup page. Now you are on the credential setup page where you need to enter your API details. Go back to the Trello Power-Ups admin page and copy the API key that you generated earlier. Then go back to the n8n setup page and paste the API key into the API field. Next, go back to the Trello Power-Ups admin page again and click Token to generate a manual token. You will be asked to grant permission, so click Allow to proceed. After that, copy the generated token. Then return to the n8n setup page and paste the token into the API token field. Click Save to store your credentials and complete the setup. Now you have successfully set up the Trello API in n8n, and you can start using it for automation and workflow integration.